Ay, wala na. Yan mo.
The least amount of hours in my week.
No, thanks.
Oh, eto pala yun. Ayoko nito.
May hindi ako sa G2 eh.
It's here. Ano ba to? Passenger.
Diyan, ayaw ko.
Thank you, Jade. Kailan next vlog niya? Hindi ko pa alam eh. Mag-review ka na, Rance.
Hi, Zia.
Ay, ang ganda ng kanta na to.
Hindi mo na narinig.
Di ba rinig dyan? Ayan.
Her hair blowing in the open window of my car. And
Hello, Doms.
so I see the lights.
Hello, Papi. Hello, Denver.
Realize it.
Yes, passenger seat. Guys, nag-ano lang ako, yaw.
And I've got all that I need. Right here in the passenger seat.
Lang. Thank you, Jade. Thank you so much.
Eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me.
Ano daw? Sabi ni...
Just have to get something to drink.
Naka-live ba?
Behind clouds and I can't think. Scared to death to say I love her.
Ay, Tanky.
And I'm on peaks from the clouds.
Tanky, ito ba?
Hello, Doms. Thank you so much.
Say
Hello, Carl.
that I've got all that I need.
Hello, Tap Tap.
Passenger
Wala, hindi ka pa rin si ano.
Invited.
Pinabaran.
Naka-live ba?
Saka si Miss Kalila.
When I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's
Rainbow Up.
me.
Paano send siya sa Rainbow Up? What do you mean?
When I'm
The, I.
right here in the
Ang letter G?
Yes.
Okay.
when I
Sa channel. Okay.
knowing that she's inches from
Check ko. Hindi ko pa na-check kasi. Wait
Ay,
lang.
Gabriel.
know
Ay, Jerry. Ay.
this love.
Hello, Ma'am Shinchan. Hello. Na-busy sa work. Oo, super busy nga niyan si Mami.
Ano kung nalagay ko?
Hello, Tisay. Hello, Sheila. Hello, Marga. Isang happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
When I've got all that I need,
Ay, ate, ako na.
right here in the passenger seat.
Sige po. Kasama po nung yung kay...
When I can keep my eyes on the road,
Andyan po.
knowing that she's inches from me.
Kaya word na. Wala. Wait,
Hello, Ma'am Jen. Thank you.
Hindi ata siya. Ay, po yun nga. Binadya yan. Binadya? Binadya ka? Sadya.
Hello.
Yan.
Thank you, Ma'am Louise. Thank you sa panda.
Binadya. Binadya?
Hello, Pabi.
Jerome, film mo. Ayun nga pala. Sometimes you have to use your capabilities to learn other things that you never know in the lives of Jesus.
Uy.
Here's that.
Pakisabi mo kay Kuya Jer. Guys, magla-live yun si manager. Late kasi siya magla-live.
You have to know. May tisay isa. Thank you po.
Magla-live yun, pero late siyang nagla-live.
Ramdam, you know. Hindi mo.
Boss, hello, Papi.
Stressing